Hello everyone, my name is Amit. You're watching the Bench Backpacker. Welcome to my channel, guys. Okay, right now it's about I think 11. Okay, it's 12:07 p.m. right now, and we've got a good temperature in Delhi right now. It's about 32 degrees Celsius, and I'm on my terrace right now. The sun is coming and going, so I thought why not come upstairs and show you something very special that I have for you. So I received a package from Amazon like 2 days ago, and so I thought this might be one of the products which might help most of you guys who are like nature junkies like me. Okay, so let me put you all in a situation. Suppose you are in the wild. Okay, you are hiking. So I have been in this situation earlier as well. So most people who like to hike might be able to relate with that. Okay, suppose you are hiking and you reach to the base camp, and you find out that the water streams are like really far away. So generally you carry a rucksack or a backpack which has like two side compartments. Okay, and those side compartments can carry like 1 liter of bottle each. So in total you'll have like 2 liters of water. Well, so you'll be needing the water to clean your utensils or make food for that matter. So what do you generally do? You just you reach to the base camp, you go to the water streams. Like, it really takes toll on your body since you have already hiked so much to reach to the base camp. So what the water streams are really far away, you can't go there and come back. You just have to like pack up and leave. So I've got a solution for you guys, and I think this might help, because this has helped me when someone has told me about this thing, because I didn't even knew like it existed in the market until I like purchased it from Amazon and tried it for the very first time. Okay, and I've got a very special product for you guys that I think might interest all the nature junkies or travelers out there, like who likes to travel and who likes to make their own food and camp and pitch camp and do their camping stuff. So you guys enjoy the unboxing of that particular product which I bought from Amazon, and afterwards I'll see you. So how did you like the unboxing? If you like the unboxing, you can comment down below and let me know what part did you like the most. Okay, so as you have seen that I have bought an water container from Amazon. I bought it from Amazon, and this is a very interesting product, I must tell you. Like, it has a capacity of like 10 liters. It comes in two capacities, 5 and 10, and it comes in two colors as well. One is transparent and one is blue. It's a very interesting product. Okay, let me show you just okay, so this is it. This is the handle part, and this is the cap part. Okay, if we talk about the dimensions of this one, it's basically in a square shape. You can say that its height is approximately 38 centimeter and the width is around 40 centimeter. So it's in a square shape sort of thing, and it has got a capacity of 10 liters. If we talk about the weight of this particular product, it weighs around like 100 grams. Okay, it's like fairly light. You can just just put it like anywhere in a side compartment of your backpack. You can just put that anywhere in the backpack. It's like so, portable and so much collapsible. So yeah, I have already told you that I bought this one from Amazon, and it has costed me like $249. Okay, I'll just provide the Best Buy link in the description down below. You can just go to the Amazon link and you can just buy the product from there. Okay, so it's the pricing depends basically. So it varies from like $200 to $300 depending upon the availability and the capacity you are trying to buy. Okay, it ranges between like $200 to $300. Okay, well, if you talk about the construction part, like what it is made out of, it is basically mentioned on the website that it is made out of like soft polymer. It's a plasticky material, and it's a BPA free. It's a food grade material, so you don't have to worry about it when you are putting when you are carrying drinking water in this one, so you don't have to worry about that. But I would recommend to change it like after 6 months or maybe a year. It's a plastic, so I do not recommend it to use it for a long period of time. Okay, so this is like fairly cheap, so you don't have to worry about that. It will cost you like $249, so it's like okay. Like I would like to show you one thing like which is very interesting, and it makes the job easy actually. If you see this cap, this is like fairly very large, so when you are like filling this up with the tap water, it like fills up like pretty quickly. And even if you are using a water stream to fill this up, it will fill up like quite a bit, like quite quickly. The construction is in such a manner that when you like fill this up and you put like upside down, it just stands on its own, so you don't have to worry about it much. You just have to like hold it by this handle and you just have to pour it. It's like super easy. So seen some people carrying jerry cans as well, but it is feasible if you are with on a car and you are camping somewhere where you are not going to hike and trek. So it is like good, but jerry cans do take like a lot of space. So when this is filled up, it is when jerry cans are like filled up, it is useful. Other than that, when you empty it, it just like takes lots of space in your backpack. So I don't think it's a feasible option. And even I would suggest the riders out there to use these sort of products, because they at least keep it. You can use jerry cans for sure for using petrol and everything while you are going to a trip where there's no petrol stations nearby. But I would say keep this as a backup product. I think this might prove to be like very useful. When the water is empty, just roll over the container and pack it. It's like super easy. So much guys for watching my video. If you think this could be useful for all the backpackers or travelers out there, do leave a comment down below. Like the video if you like the content, and please consider subscribing as well. So